Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited for today's video. It is going to be my 10th update in my whole collection project pan. This project was created by Becky from Becky Loves Kanga, and as you guys know, I was heavily inspired to do this when I saw my friend Emily from Emily and Max do this many years ago, and I have loved doing this project ever since. This will be my last update before my finale. I am going to wrap this project up December 5th and then take the month of December off of project panning. I haven't taken like a month off of project panning in like officially in 5 years or so, and I want to take December off to just like use and love my makeup collection. So that's what we're gonna do. I do have 2 products that I will be rolling out today, and I will replace those. I will replace those and potentially even just give myself usage goals for these products, but I'm very excited to share my update with you guys. So if you're interested, stay tuned. First, if you have yet to subscribe to my channel and you like project panning content or just chit-chatting about makeup, I'd love if you'd consider subscribing before moving on. And other than that, let's jump into the video. Okay, you guys, we will go in order that these products have been in this project, and we are gonna kick it off with my, what month is this? We're gonna kick it off with my Armani Power Fabric Concealer. This has been in since July, and I knew I was giving myself a hefty goal of trying to finish this product off. But it is also one of my oldest concealers in my collection, and so I just wanted to work on it, you know, throughout the rest of the year or until I was able to finish it. And so we had quite a bit of the product when this originally rolled in, and we have been making steady progress. And this is approximately where we're at right now. I feel like I might even be lower than that because I feel like I'm having to dip in quite a bit. Like, I feel like we're getting close to the point where I could take the stopper out. I don't think this will be an empty by the finale, and I honestly don't know that this will be an empty by the end of this year. But if not, I feel like this is going to be an empty early into 2024, which is really exciting. Concealers take me a long time to get through, and I feel like I'm finally really getting down to like a low inventory number with concealers, which just like makes me happy. So I'll be excited to roll another concealer out of my collection. But that is my update with this one. Next up, we have my Tarte lipstick in the shade Surf's Up. This has been in since August, and this is going to be rolling out today. I gave myself a 5-use goal on this one, and I actually have this on my lips, and then I'm gonna put a little bit more on. I put on Kosas Jaws over top. But I really enjoy this lipstick. So I was at 3 out of my 5 uses last update. I did reach for this an additional 2 times, putting me at 5 out of 5 uses. This is something I am gonna keep pulled and just kind of keep in my makeup drawer and try and get a couple more uses out of it before the end of the year. I think it's a really beautiful shade, especially for this time of year, and it's such a comfortable formula. It's my favorite lipstick formula I've ever tried. It makes me so sad that I don't believe Tarte makes it anymore. Y'all know Tarte Rum Punch, favorite lipstick of all time. But this will be rolling out because I did hit my goal on this. Next up, I have Nabla Privilege, and this rolled in September. I gave myself a 20-use goal on this, and I have not been good about reaching for this. I was only at 1 out of 20 uses last update, and I only reached for this an additional 4 times, putting me at 5 out of 20 uses. I have had other highlighting products I've been trying to kind of cycle through and get through. We'll get to one in just a moment. So I just have not been great about reaching for this. I will be happy if I reach for this 5 more times before the finale, which would put me at 10 total uses. This is a highlighter that has gotten a lot of love from me throughout its time in my collection, so it's not like this neglected highlighter that keeps getting neglected. You can see like the imprint of like Nabla has pretty much worn away, that like center rectangle. Although I will say I've been working on my Nabla skin bronzing forever, it feels like, and obviously you use more bronzer than you do highlight typically, and so I mean I think I'll have this forever, to be honest. But only at 5 out of 20 uses. I am hoping to just reach for this another 5 times before the finale, and that will make me happy. The other product that's rolling out, I'm so excited about this one, you guys. So this is my Lancome Highlighting Trio, and I had 2 pans in this palette leading into this getting rolled in, and my goal was to hit pan on the shade Gilded Gold so that I could have a 3rd pan, and I have done that. I will say Gilded Gold is not my favorite on the cheeks. I prefer Frosted Rose or Frosted Rosé on the cheeks. And then even Sparkling Peach, sometimes I'm like, I don't love that on the cheeks. But if I mix Sparkling Peach with my Vesca highlight, love that combo on the cheeks. I was mostly using Gilded Gold on my shoulders. And that is how I was able to hit a pan. But I'm so excited because this trio now has a pan in every single pan in the palette, which just makes me so happy. So this one will be rolling out. And then, okay, these next two updates are really bad. So I have Fenty Tang Tang, which has been in for 2 months. Gave myself a 10 use goal on this. I still haven't reached for this at all, you guys. And I do feel like I could get away with using this, or could have, in October, because it's in orange. I will find ways to get use out of this. I would like to at least reach for this 5 times before the finale. I definitely feel like this is a shade that I use or just appreciate more in the summer months. So I wish it had rolled into the summer months, but that's, you know, that's not how it worked out. So I do still have, well, I have 0 out of my 10 uses on Fenty Tang Tang. And then these final 2 products, these last 2 eyeliners, both rolled in last month. One of them I haven't hit my goal on, so we're actually rolling out 3 products. Yay! Okay. This one I did not hit my goal on. This is the LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner, this neon yellow. It's really beautiful. I gave myself a 5 use goal on this. I only reached for 1 out of those 5 uses, so I still have 4 uses to go. You know, I don't know that I'm doing a ton of things that I want, like, or a ton of looks that I want like a bright yellow eyeliner for, especially this time of year. But maybe we can find 4 looks to pair this with. Maybe. And then the eyeliner I did hit my goal on and have really fallen in love with is this one from Urban Decay. It's the 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Mildew. And it's this really beautiful, deep forest green that has a bit of like a metallic sheen to it. Like, it's not sparkly, but it definitely has this metallic sheen, and I love it. I actually have it in my water line today. I gave myself a 10 use goal on this one, and I easily reached for those 10 times. This is something that I feel like I really can pair with any look, and just it adds like a little bit of a pop of green, which I love a pop of green. So it was not hard for me to reach for this 10 times. I do believe I sharpened this 2, maybe 3 times. I mean, I obviously still have a lot of pencil left, but I'm very excited that I was able to get 10 uses out of this one. Meaning we are rolling out this eyeliner, this lipstick, and then this highlighting trio. So I'm gonna go grab my phone and we're gonna randomly generate 3 more products to work on for the next month. My spreadsheet is definitely not up to date. Like, I swear it's up to date and still like not even accurate once a year, and that's like when I do my reset makeup inventory. But we're gonna go with what I have. I currently have 478 makeup products listed in my spreadsheet, and we're gonna randomly generate 3 numbers to work on. We get number 216, 172, and 277. My only rule is I don't want to work on any more than 2 of the same product at any given time, which I have a concealer, a highlight, an eyeliner, and a lip product. So really, we can really roll anything in. Okay, we have 216, which is, where is my spreadsheet? All right, number 216 is Ofra Brickell, which I believe is a, ooh, is that like a bright red liquid lipstick? I don't know if I still have that. We'll have to look. Possibly. Okay. Well, I guess this would be a good time of year because I could do like a red lip. That makes sense. Okay. Then we had number 172. I also still don't know if I even have that lip. Number 172 is Makeup by Mario. Ooh, Pearl. Ooh, I have that in my everyday makeup drawer right now. So another highlighting product. So we can't roll in another highlighter, but I do love Makeup by Mario Pearl. Because it is definitely more of a subtle highlight, and this one is more of like a champagne pearly sort of shade as opposed to my Nopla one, which is more of a peachy pink. So that's perfect. I feel like, you know, they're not going to be competing for attention. And then my last number was 277. 277 is KVD Bow and Arrow. That's another lip product. Another lipstick. So we'd have a lipstick and a liquid lipstick. Okay. Well, I suppose that's a good time of year for bow and arrow to roll into. Okay, I'm gonna go grab those lip products and I'll be right back. Okay, I do have both products. And because one is a liquid lipstick and one's a lipstick, I'll roll them both in. So here is KVD Bow and Arrow which is a really beautiful, like pale beigey, grayish sort of shade. Not something that I'm reaching for that frequently, and haven't reached for much in its lifetime. I'm gonna give myself a 3-use goal on this, just because again, it's the last month that I'm gonna be working on this. Maybe I'll have a 3-use goal on each lip product still in my collection. That feels more fair. And then I have Ofra Brickell, which is a red liquid lipstick. Just like a true blue-based red. There it is, swatch rated. That is beautiful. This is just a little mini too. In my head, I'm like, ooh, should I try and finish this before the end of the year? I don't know if that's possible. Perhaps. I'm gonna give myself a 3-use goal with this one as well. Looks like we gotta be doing some of those classic holiday looks. And then my goal for Makeup by Mario Pearl is going to be to use this 5 times as well. So 5 times for Privilege before the end of the year, I would feel good. 5 times for Makeup by Mario Pearl. We got 4 more uses to go on my neon yellow eyeliner. We're gonna see where we end up for my Giorgio Armani concealer, and then goal will be to use each of these lip products 3 total times. So that is going to wrap it up for today's update, for my final whole collection project pan update for 2023 before my finale. I would love to know, are you gonna pan through the end of the year, or are you gonna take a break from panning too? Let a girl know in the comments below. Other than that, thank you guys so much for sticking around to watch today's video and for supporting my channel as you guys always do. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.